are back. Hopefully everybody in the chat right now had a good lunch. I sure did. Fried rice from yesterday. Always good to have leftover fried rice. We got Crypto Rockets here in the chat. Raymond, Bolo, Raymond again, Urky NG, Doge Pound Gang also in the chat. What's going on, guys? Thank you for being in here nice and early. And AMC still doing its thing around that level of resistance. You guys remember the level of resistance we had on the chart earlier? Roughly $31.50. Trading around $31.39 right now, 40 cents. So hopefully we can close above this level. If we don't, it's still okay though, because tomorrow could potentially be a better day. Johnstontown, Tawfiq Fazula is an Adam Aaron contact. Adam Aaron follows him on Twitter. Very nice. Newfo, Ricky NG, is it truth about the tweet? Ricky, I don't know. Did I miss something? Did I miss something on Twitter, man? What did I miss? Newfo, I don't know. I think I missed something too, man. Who's tweeting what and where are they tweeting it about? Ooh, you know what? Does anybody know what time that interview is with Adam Aaron and Trey? Maybe we should just do, instead of a video tonight, maybe we just do a follow-up live stream. Like, we can all go watch the interview and then jump back in here and do like a follow-up Q&A, because I'm sure they will not do any follow-up Q&As just like they didn't do last time. 0-0 is not effective. August 24th, correct. Johnstontown, that's what a lot of people are saying, yes. Are we ever going to squeeze? Manjeet, yes. When the shares are covered, as long as we don't sell them back when they're forced to cover, then that's when the price squeeze is higher. Thought it was this evening. Yeah, it's this evening, but I don't know what time. I was asking if anybody knew what time. Is the squeeze inevitable? It is inevitable that the shorts will be covered at some point. Now, whether we squeeze the price higher, that's up to you and I. Do we hold the stock or do we sell it back when they go to buy it? It's as simple as that. You guys hear that helicopter? It's like right above my house. Hey, man, it sounds like he's going to land in my backyard. Twitter. That's what I wanted to go look at. Let's look at Twitter and see if we've got any news on Adam Aaron's interview with Trey. Is it really an interview, though? Is it really an interview, or is it going to be more or less him talking about the same stuff that he talked about on the earnings call? Heck yeah, Clay, bro. At his best. You rock, brother. Keep up the great work. We all love you. Holmes, what's up? Access Maintenance 200, not 2,000. How you doing, man? You reach your best, man. That's my ride. Jonah Jesus, that's his ride. He's in that helicopter right now. Nice, I like it. Hey, Father, he's taking a helicopter in your neighborhood. Be wary of a crash. Oh, no. Hey, Father, do not come in a helicopter, man. Volume has slowed to 25 sec per 40,000. Slowing big time. I'm okay with slowing volume. I think it's a date with no shirts on. That's what the interview is a date with no shirts on? That sounds like a good date, man. Will you go live when they start to cover, or when it's... Yeah. So, I mean, we're typically live, Manji. We're typically live, during the day. But it's not going to be something where we're covering or AMC skyrocketing to $300, and all of a sudden I'm like, well, guys, it's time to go eat lunch. We're going to get off here and eat some lunch for the day. No, I'll eat in front of you, whether I have volume on or not. I'll eat in front of you on a day like that. Me too. Yes, good deal, Sean. Good deal. Shorts. Gotcha, Crypto. Either a date with no shorts or a date with no shirts. Either way, sounds nice to me. That's what I was gonna do though. All right, let's see if Adam Aaron tweeted anything out about this. Let's try to pull up his Twitter and see if he's got anything going on. AMC Trapper, what's up, Clay Bro and Apes? What's going on, AMC Trapper? How's your day going so far, man? I was unsubscribed to all AMC Apes on YouTube. A few people on Stock Twits had the same issue. I typed in AMC and it was mostly CNBC and old Ape videos. None from today. Mr. Canless, did you unsubscribe from me? What's going on with that? That's weird. Stay away from options. Mr. Hillionaire. Yeah, you can stay away from options, or if you like trading options, go for it. Cargo shorts today. I think these are gray, dude. I think these are gray. Gray? Yeah, you can see the cargo pocket. Dude, there's something in here. Oh, no, that's the main pocket. That's my wallet in the main pocket. I thought there was something in my cargo pocket. I was like, shoot, dude. This is about to be the best surprise ever. Naked Data laughed at all apes. Ooh, Naked Data. That sounds... Oh, Naked Date. I thought it was Naked Data. I was like, that sounds like some good data. Transparency Project. What's going on, man? Do you think eBay will go after earnings? I have no idea I have no idea about eBay's earnings report. Man, I have no idea what expectations are. I don't know how well they've been doing. Nothing. Kenny Griffin is grabbing his shorts right now, and so is Piers. It's crazy. Isn't it, Access? It's crazy. Yeah, Kenny's probably a little bit nervous. True story, either content is slowing or YouTube's on the narrative train. I don't know if content's slowing, man. I don't know if content's slowing, but YouTube might be jumping on. YouTube really, and I don't know how they choose who they push, but whoever YouTube pushes really it becomes successful. I'm back late, but I'm here. DD214, you're not even that late, man. We've been on for 6 minutes. It's all right. It's a great thing that they have trillions to lose. It is, man, because we're going to take it all. AMC says, Rocket. Yes, is Rocket in the chat right now? I don't know if he is. I love it. Let's take it all from him. I'm in. All in. Let's take it all from him, dude. I'll take it. As much as they want to give me, I'll take it. AMC announced on Monday, 6 hours ago, that by year end, we will have the technology in place to use Apple Pay and Google Pay in our online ticketing, and in a breakthrough, we also expect by year end to accept payment online in Bitcoin. That's a historic step for AMC. Yeah, clearly. I recently learned about much cybersecurity of cryptocurrency due to my Centrix board seat next month. Centrix is expected to acquire Arkit, a leader in quantum encryption. Arkit has tech to protect blockchain from quantum computer attacks. Dude, how often is the blockchain broken? What do we got? Just bought my first AMC shares at $29.50 today. Kezo, very nice. I like it. Glad to have you with us. So many people call me Rocket. Crypto Rocketeer. Interesting. Rocketeer. Yes, there you go. Nice, Kezo. Heck yeah, man. Hang out with us, Kezo. You're going to be doing good. What's up, Brett? What's going on, Brett? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brett. Happy birthday to you. Will more charts be an option on Clay Bro Live? Will more charts be an option? Nufo, like more than just AMC, or what are you talking about? Because, look, I got, we've got a dual AMC GME chart if it loads. But as far as, like, if it loads, I mean, we got the dual AMC GME chart. Man, look at that. Look at that day. That's like dead on. It's the exact same day. What if you're talking about like just looking at random charts? I don't want to do too much of that now, so we continue to stay focused on AMC. I know that Coors does that, but I'd rather like if you want a dual chart on GameStop too, since they're the same exact chart, we can pull those up. But if you're talking about random charts, I think we'll probably wait till after the squeeze to check random charts and stuff. Almost green for the day. Joan De Jesus, let's get it. Clay, we're going to have dinner at my mom's house and maybe meet her new boyfriend, Reddit. Oh, gosh, he sounds like a jerk. You're, of course, welcome to come. I will be there. I will be there, Brett. I got to see this guy. I got to see this guy. After all that he's done to me, I got to see this guy. I'm not a fan. We'll find out. Here to kick shells out and chew bubblegum, and I'm all out of bubblegum. Well, it looks like he will be kicking shells out. Clay, would you ever consider buying a movie ticket in Bitcoin? I like that AMC is doing this. A benefits company, not the consumer. Could be a XXX movie ticket in a year or two. Yeah, it could be, man. It could be. It's like the same way you look at it, though, dude. You could buy a movie ticket now for $10, or you could have bought a share of AMC when AMC was trading at $10. You know what I mean? And then you could be looking at a $600 price for AMC. There's always an opportunity cost, and there's always something else that you could spend your money on. So, I mean, I would consider doing it. I don't think it's that big of a problem. But you always have the opportunity, even if it's $1, you know what I mean? You always have the opportunity to invest that dollar. But yeah, I definitely see what you're going with on that one. And it makes sense. But you still have the opportunity to invest your dollar. Simon in the house, baby! What's up, 11 Mr. Simon? What's up, winner? Who was the winner? Well, Crypto Rocketeer was the winner? Nice, dude. I wanted to know who it was earlier, but I didn't know. I'm just here to mess the system. No mass getting shit. There you go, dude. And I'm here to watch the short squeeze happen. Clay, bro, man, I'm kind of really wanting to know how many shares are left for us retailers to buy. It should not be this hard to find the number. Am I right? GameStop's currency. There's a lot left to buy because you will always find somebody willing to sell this stock at the price. There's always somebody that's willing to sell AMC at $31.53 right now. Unfortunately, it's true. I would like it if there wasn't, but there will always be somebody willing to sell it. Where are we at here? All right. And we are, guys, we are almost 31.75. Let's see where we got to get to close green on the day. 31.75. Right here. We close above this. We stay below. We're red. We close above. We're green. We're really close. Just get that off the chart now. This is the line we got to beat, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, sorry. It was low. Or it was small. This is the line we got to beat if we want to close green on the day. I'm in. Let's make it happen. Replacement webcam for the lava lamp. Ooh. Sounds like a fair trade. But no. I love my webcam and my lava lamp. 11 Olympus Simon. Hi, Natalie. Hi, Lauren. Hi, Lisa. Saying hello to everybody before they even show up in the chat. My dude is on it. Hello. Sorry, man. Sorry. I cannot pronounce that name. What is that? That Russian? Ukrainian? I have no idea. Lauren is in the chat. Lauren, how are you? How was your afternoon? You have a good afternoon? Question, Clay. Would it still be a huge squeeze if we are 1 million apes left in the end? It would probably be a bigger squeeze. It would probably be a bigger squeeze, Crypto. If we got 1 million people holding AMC that are willing to hold it, it would be a bigger squeeze than if we got 4 million people who are maybe willing to hold it or willing to watch it go to $150 or $200. If you get 1 million people on board that are willing to watch it go to $1,000, then yeah, it'll go higher. Okay. Yes. The DSLR for the lava lamp. Dang, dude. This bad boy right here, I mean, I feel like it needs to go a little lower. I feel like that's good, right? That's good. I really like it. Once it starts to warm up, it gets a lot better. But once if it's only been on for like 3 hours, it doesn't go as well. But you guys can't even see that very well, but it's really cool. It's got like 4 bubbles in there right now. Yeah, it gets better as the day goes on. You should see it at nighttime. Ooh, okay. Evgeny Neritin. I'm a Russian doctor. I knew it looked like Russian. Evgeny Neritin. Don't know if I said that right, man, but I'm very sorry if I mispronounced it. I don't read Russian, dude. I'm very sorry. Super slow volume right now, or right on. Sean, I love super low volume. It's not a lava lamp. It's a Lambo lamp. Red line, Sean. Lambo lamp, lava lamp, rocket lamp, whatever you want to call it. I got distracted. I was supposed to be looking up what Adam Aaron was saying. If it remains safe and reliable to use, it would seem that cryptocurrency will get even more important in future years. From reading your comments, I see that many of you are crypto enthusiasts. AMC is pleased to get out in front by planning to accept payment online in Bitcoin. Thanks to the money raised in May and June, AMC ended the quarter with more than $2 billion of liquidity. Cash in the bank, or, okay, good deal. Pay some of your debt down, my man. Right around double the highest quarter ending liquidity level AMC has ever had. Okay, yeah, Q1, because you sold trillion shares. AMC issued very positive earnings report. Yes, you did. Why did Adam Aaron not tweet about being on Trey's channel? Very interesting. I'm not going to show it on here. Very interesting cover photo for Halsey's Love and Power. tour. I did not see that. It's pretty interesting. And six, the smartest move Adam Aaron can do is use 1 billion of those 2 billion and buy Bitcoin and put it on AMC's balance sheet, Tesla style power move. Yeah, that would be pretty crazy, wouldn't it? I think he might be able to double that billion over the next year or two. 1 million people holding an average of 120 shares would be 120 million shares, which is more than the short volume reportedly anyway. Yeah, that would be great. No, it would be great, but it would be even better if 1 million people were holding the entire shares outstanding. Crypto Rocketeer, darn, bro. Missed what Crypto Rocketeer said. What did you have for tea, Lowe's? Yeah, what did you have for tea, Lowe's? We need to know. I had a chicken burger and wedges. Is that like JoJo's? What is a wedge? Is that like a JoJo? Chicken burger. What is a chicken burger? Like a chicken sandwich? Chicken burger. That's gotta be like a chicken sandwich. Lowe's. Yes, Crypto Rocketeer. Lowe's, man. You can't say L-O-Z and not expect me to say Lowe's. Come on now. Good afternoon. Natalie is in the chat. What's going on? Potato wedges. Yeah, it's got to be like a JoJo, right? And Lisa's here too. Perfect day if you have covered calls. Nice, AMC. Today's going to be a good day overall anyway. If you get covered calls, okay, good day. Oh, did we end already? Dang, we ended, but we weren't green on the day. We were down 0.66%, 31.54 close. Hello, Lisa. Hi, Natalie. What is the price? Currently $31.30 after hours, falling slightly after hours. I'm very sorry, I still don't know how to say your name, man. I love it. You guys just say hello to each other. I get tons of inbound. Okay, we saw all that. Maybe we got to check trays. Does anybody know, like, I'm just going to sit here looking for interview time? I feel like we should do a Q&A following Trey's interview with Adam Aaron. I like a beef burger, but a chicken one. I like a beef burger, but a chicken one. Wedges. It's like a chicken patty, right? It'd be like a chicken patty. Because you're not going to ground up the burger, or you're not going to ground up the chicken and then cook it. Wedges are like chips, but in wedge shape. So like home fries. Somebody translate this dinner for me. Is it like a chicken patty, like a chicken sandwich with home fries, or what? I need help on this because it sounds good. I love home fries; they're my favorite. But I do need a little bit of help. Chicken patty, Crypto Rocketeer. Okay, good deal, man. It's like a chicken sandwich then. Chicken burger, chicken sandwich. Okay, cool. And then the wedges, they're like chips, but wedge form. Why is Google trying to help me? Google don't know what I'm talking about. Chips but wedge form. That's got to be either like JoJo's or home fries. Chicken burgers and chicken sandwich. Yeah. But help me with the wedges, Jason. Help me with the wedges, dude. Wedges is not home chips. What's a wedge, dude? Is it like a JoJo or is it like a home fry? How big are we talking? Chips aren't chips in the UK. Wedges are French fries, but thicker. Okay. Wedges are thicker French fry. Homemade. I like my chicken with feathers. Lito. Nice. Potato wedges are like thick triangle cut French fry. So if she made them at home, she would basically just like fry those up or saute them, right? That's what we got? Kind of like big home fries, I guess. Wedges for the hedgies. Oh, yes. That's what she said. It might be, Jose. It might be. JoJo potatoes. JoJo's. Some of those steak fries. Okay, so it could be like a JoJo then. Like Crypto saying JoJo. Wedgies are triangles. Wedgies are triangles. Order a chicken sandwich. Replace the chicken with a beef patty. Do it, new foe. Like from KFC, right? Maybe. Wedges suck fries all the way. Let's do it. Like a segment of an orange, but potato. In the oven. Oven. It's baked. So she's not sauteing it or frying it. She's baking it. Okay, I got you. Lauren, sounds delicious, actually. Sounds delicious. Have you ever never had potato wedges from B-Dubs? No, I don't think I've ever had. I don't think I've ever had that. I've only ever gotten wings there. Can we get that after Gordanios or wherever we're going for pizza, Natalie? The Wedgie Gang. Let's do it. Are you hungry? Not really. I had fried rice for lunch. I'm not that hungry. But I didn't know what we were talking about with the wedges. Cook them in an air fryer. You could. I don't have an air fryer. Yes. All right, sweet. After Giordanios, we can go to B-Dubs and grab some potato wedges. Dude, I'm about to have a blast. Natalie and I are really about to go do a lot of things. Eating wedge is like gnawing on a potato. That's what I like to do. Side salad and a few olives too. Ooh, I like it. Man, Lauren knows how to eat right. Good deal, Lauren. Good deal. Sounds delicious to me. Hey, transparency. It's. Wedges are for millennials. Well, I can eat millennial food too. When do we stop using freedom fries? We didn't announce at the end of it as widely as we announced at the beginning. I have no idea when freedom fries were or stopped being a thing. It's fly rice? What? It's a golf club wedge. Oh yeah, that makes sense, Crypto Racketeer. Golf club wedge makes sense. In what scenario can we say the hedgies won? Renan, if they cover all their shares of AMC and it stays below $30 per share. Order an air fryer from Amazon. They're amazing. Lido, what do I do with it? Isn't an air fryer basically like a small oven? Why can't I just put it in the oven? Who said fly lice? Nobody said fly lice, man. It's fried rice. Too many carbs. Protein only. Protein only. Dude, if you only eat protein, you're gonna stay so hungry though. You gotta have some sort of a carb. You're gonna be so hungry. When will rocket be? When will the rocket be? Soon, man, soon. I don't know when rocket's gonna be here, but hopefully he's here soon. We were mad at France for something, so people tried to make freedom fries a thing because that'll show them. Dude, if that's true, oh man. Aftermarket combat overall green on the day. Proudly joined the AMC Triple Digit Share Club. Nice, Frank. The hedgies won when I'm flying to the moon. There you go, Crypto Rocketeer. At McDonald's in Hawaii, you get rice instead of fries with your Spam McGriddle. Clownfish. I do not know about that. I've never been to Hawaii. So I've never been to McDonald's in Hawaii. I would not know if that's true or not. Egg fried lice is delicious. Yes, egg fried lice is the way to go. That's what I say. Fly rice. I want some fried rice, please. Yeah, I'm on it, Natalie. I'll grab some fried rice. Fried rice. 300 grams a day. Never hungry, bro. Dude, Redline Sean. If you eat 300 grams of protein a day and you are a 3X, you're a big dude, man. You're stacked. I'm kind of afraid now. Redline, my abs disagree. Just kidding. I like it. I like it. Deep fried pineapple rings, so delicious. Those probably would be pretty good, Nufo. 4 million borrowed shares to drop us 20 cents. That has to hurt. Yeah, Ryan, good luck to them, right? We were down, was it 0.6? 0.6% on the day. Shoot. Let them try. Let them try. The air fryer? Yeah, I need an air fryer from Amazon. These gummy bears say fat-free, so it's a health food. Oh, dude. The gummy bears are healthy, man. I'd be all over that. I'd sponsor healthy gummy bears. Freedom fries are not free. A lot of Americans die defending your potatoes. Remember that, millennial. Yes, remember it. Gummy bears are fat-free, but not sugar-free. Ooh. What if they do make a sugar-free gummy bear? Is that possible? What kind of fake news would they be putting in that thing? Sergeant Maloney, never forget the Battle of Boise. It was the Potato Wars, Gettysburg. Tough times, man. Tough times. I'm glad the potatoes, I'm glad the fries came out on top. Steak fry. Denise says a wedge is a steak fry. Thank you very much, Denise, for chiming in and letting us know what a wedge would be. I like it. Sounds like Lauren and I should have dinner sometime because she makes very good steak fries. Gummy worms are my favorite. I have gummy worms on the counter right now. I feel like eating one because we're talking about all these gummies. I eat them from both ends. Okay, like the Lady and the Tramp scene playing in my head right now with gummy bears. I like it. Gummy bears can cause diabetes. Yeah, dude, if you eat nothing but gummy bears, what do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear! Texas spicy barbecue brisket in an ice cold dosrita or what? Michelada. I don't even know what that is, Antics. I don't even know what that is. What's a dosrita? Or Michelada? Michelada. I don't even know. Natalie, no matter the gummy, I eat the head first. Seems more humane. It is, man. I really, I wasn't even hungry, but now I want some some of my gummy worms. That's why I only eat gummy worms. Good deal, 11 Mr. Simon. That's the way to go. Clay, do you think about the 2021-010 approval? No more naked shorting and FTDs. AC, there's currently no naked shorting allowed anyway. So, I don't think it's going to do anything. Potato cakes at Arby's. Dude, I haven't been to Arby's in quite some time. We used to be really bad as kids when you ordered your food from a Chinese chip shop, Chippy, and they asked if you want salt and vinegar. We say, what? Oh, my finger's okay. Say like, Crypto Rocketeer. That was a very long story, but I liked it, man. I liked it. That was a good one. No, Nick, just regular gummy bears is all I've got. Michelada is a beer with 2 as of in it, basically. With what? With something in it, basically. Interesting. I don't drink beer, so I wouldn't know. Wow, Lauren. You bite both heads off? That's just evil. Guys, I don't even know why I come on here. Like I feel like I should just be watching you. Sorry, Nick F. You may no longer be my only friend. I feel like I'm getting so many friends in here that my life is just now complete. Alert! Deep fried banana fries on the next Cooking with Clay Bro live. I'm on it, dude. I'm on it. I would deep fry a banana for you guys. Do you have a financial education? Well, Russian man, I guess you'll find out one day. If you think that I am educated, okay. If you think that I am not educated, also, okay. Either way, I'm down with it. Kraken and Twisted Tea, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm laughing at myself here. I love being a loser. Dude, we are not losers, man. We are the best. We're the best. Just wait 3 days and see what's up. 3 days and counting. I might be your tallest friend. I know 2 dudes that are, I think, 6'8", but I don't know if I would say that they're friends. You know what I mean? Like, I know 2 guys that are about 6'7", 6'8", but I don't hang out with them or anything, so I don't know if they would be friends. So other than that, yeah, you're like one of the tallest dudes I know. 6'6" is very tall, man. That's very tall. Are you related to a Hedgie? Lido! I'd probably have to go, like, extended family to find out, but not that I know of. Clay is one of those people that puts School of Hard Knocks on their LinkedIn. We all know it means GED. Well, dude, whatever sort of education it means, it's on my LinkedIn. Go check it out. Somebody make me a fake LinkedIn real quick with I graduated from the School of Hard Knocks. See how he said dude and not friend? I don't know if I call anybody friend. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. How are ya? I'm 6 foot. Good deal. Simon, plantains are best deep fried bananas, right? I've never had one, Trapper. Never had one. But a lot of people do seem to think that they're the best. Feel short right now. I'm only 6'5". Redline Sean. Dude, 6'5", like 300 grams of protein a day, probably 300 pounds. Dude is just like, dude's a beast, man. 6'6", you must be really good at chess. What? Oh, man. Does the price need to drop really low before hedges want to cover? Yes, Jay. Before they would want to cover it, yes. I'll tell you, Clay, bro. Like 5'10". Like 5'10". Do I get to wear shoes or no? I'd say like 5'10". Best move is castling. Well, he might play chess. All right, he might. 5'9". Yeah, dude, somewhere in that range. I think on a good Sunday, like 5'10", 5 inches from my... Oh, Transparency Project, I love it, man. How old are you? How old do I look? How old do I look? If you get one guess. If you get it right, great. If you get it wrong, I'll tell you. Yeah, Claude. So just because they borrow it doesn't mean that they have to short it. I don't know why they would want to borrow it and not short it. They might just be like looking to see if it's available to borrow and borrowing it and then wanting to short it at a later date if they're waiting for the price to go up or whatever. But yeah, there's a difference between borrowed and shorted shares. Clay's getting younger. He's now 4 years younger than me. Interesting, Brett. Interesting. How does this happen, man? 15. 15. Lord, I do not look 15. Come on now. Clay's 15 years old. Maybe. Jonah Jesus, 36, 34, 32. Redline Sean knows about it. I'm just kidding. Lauren's like, I'm just kidding. You don't look 15. You look like you're about 45. Lauren, I'm gonna remember that. You look like you're about 45. Come on. 29, Nick, thank you. Chess is my favorite sport. Lido, that's what I'm talking about. Papa Mac 32. Yes, guys, I am 32 years young. I'm getting younger though. I'm currently 4 years younger than Brett. I don't know how it's happening. Happy birthday, Clay, bro. Nufo, thank you very much. Apparently, I'm 33 now. I just had a birthday. Nufo, wish me happy birthday. I love chess because I'm too nice. I let 5-year-olds have the victory, but all eat their crayons. Good deal, Sergeant Baloney. Let them win and then eat their crayons in celebratory victory. I like it. Darn Clay is older than me. Now my conviction is wavering. Why, man? You don't want me to be older than you? Can't tell him to respect his elders. Dude, I will always respect my elders. I mean, sometimes I have to respectfully disagree with elders, but I will always respect my elders. I didn't say 45. It's Chicken Muppet. What? Oh, what is it? What is this? A cheeky Muppet or a Chicken Muppet? What Lord, I like you, Lord. This is the best. It's your birthday? Happy birthday, man. Destroy the darkness. No, do not spread any rumors. It is not my birthday. Clay needs a bad That's all you need in life. That's all you need. You don't need a short squeeze. You don't need $1 million. Luca is on to something. All you need to do is find yourself a bad mamacita. And then you're good to go. I meant cheeky Muppet. I'm a little cheeky Muppet. Oh, yes. I'm a little cheeky Muppet, guys. Clay Bro, I should just change my channel name right now from Clay Bro to Cheeky Muppet. I feel like I would get a lot more views if my channel name was Cheeky Muppet. I do. 39 here. Don't hate. Transparency Project. No hating, my man. You little cheeky Muppet, you. You little cheeky Muppet. We ain't hating on you. Tomorrow's going to be a green day. Back to 36. Sergeant Baloney, I love it, man. Adam Aaron acknowledging active role as Citrus board member. Yeah. He's going to be stepping down, though, as soon as... I don't know. I forget what he said needs to take place, and then he's going to step down. That's the board member. Let's see what Trey's got to say, if he's got any announcement on when the interview is going to be. Look like he got your channel back. Thank goodness, man. How many MC YouTubers are going to get taken down before there's no longer a coincidence? I don't know. Interesting, because I'm always craving more theaters popcorn, too. Okay. Good times any. Alright, so he has not said. All right, he has not said what time the interview is going to be. So if anybody else knows what time Trey's going on with Adam Aaron, let me know. 100 squeeze sound realistic, Clay? Yeah, Jay. Yeah. Sounds realistic to me, man. Why does everyone think 39 is old? That's silly. Natalie, that's what I'm going to be like 59, 69, 79, 89, and I'm not going to be old. So I don't know what everybody thinks 59, 69, 79 is old for. I ain't never getting old. 100 is not good enough. Think bigger. Dude, 100 is like if you just find yourself a mamacita. Okay? Think bigger. Jay, you need to get on it with the bad mamacita. Who wants a mamacita when you can have a bad mamacita? Why is Lido getting... What's wrong with Lido? I don't know what's wrong with Lido. Why he's getting deleted. I'm old at 31. Not me, man. Simon, you don't ask ladies those questions. How old are you ladies in here? Lauren, Natalie, Lisa. Old enough. Old enough. 41, going on 11. I love it, Sergeant Baloney. My bad. Shot down quick. So 34. You cheeky little muppet, you. Lauren, you cheeky little muppet. You think you're 34. Come on now. You look like you're about 24. What are you lying to us for? She says 34. A cheeky little muppet coming in here saying she's 34. You know for a fact that girl's 24. I hate when people say you're as old as you feel. I'm falling apart. Crypto Rocketeer, you're not falling apart, man. 28, nice. Destroy the darkness. 24, that's what I'm talking about, Luca. Yeah. How old is Chip Bro? Old enough. No, I have no idea how old Chip Bro is, actually. 55 going on 25. Red line, Sean. Good deal. Big facts, transparency. You cheeky little muppet. You lying, saying he's 34. I know you're 24. Come on. Think you can fool us all? Think again. Think Lauren's in her early 20s. Exactly, 11-11, Simon. Lauren's just a cheeky little muppet telling us she's 34. Come on now. 28 and holding. Lisa and holding. I like it. Before the snake got him. The snake did not. Listen, Chip Bro just moved holes. He filled his one hole up with sunflower seeds. I think he's busy building another hole because he doesn't go under the patio anymore. I think it's his storage closet now. It's got to be a storage closet, dude, because he doesn't go down there anymore. Rip Chip Bro? No rip Chip Bro. Chip Bro is doing just fine. He's just busy building another house right now. Naked shorts. I seen it. Hashtag naked shorts. Everybody likes shorts, though, right? Come on, man. Of course we're wearing shorts. It's like 95 degrees outside. It's 95 degrees outside, but it's 69 degrees in here. So that's why I got a hoodie on. During the breaks, if you guys don't believe me, I go sit on the patio, and we are much more scantily clad than we are currently. I don't know why I said it. Weird. Yes. He's baking cookies in the tree. He might be, Mr. R. Rip, let's go. Are we ripping right now? I don't know if we're ripping, but I do want to rip on AMC. We need to see the chipmunk. That's why we're red nowadays. I know, man. I know. The chipmunk, I think he's busy, though. He honestly has not come in the house in like 6 days. Oh, gosh. No, destroy the darkness. No, he's doing good. Have you fashioned a tiny pair of cargo shorts for Chip Bro yet? Brett, I have not. More difficult than it's... I could probably fashion him a nice pair, like, out of one of the pockets on my cargo shorts. I could just sew it together pretty quick, and he'd be looking really nice. Let's Chip... No, he's still good. AMC Trapper, he's alive and well. I think Chip Bro's a Citadel spy. Go and take his stash. No, I will not. He's not a Citadel spy. He's a good chipmunk. He's staying in the treehouse in the AC. He might be, man. I have noticed a difference with how hot it was to him not coming around. So I think he likes to chill out when it's hot. About 100 more shares at 29.54. Very nice. Pepper Jules Parades. Is that what it is? What is it? What is that last word there? Parades? Pepper Jules. We'll just call you Pepper Jules. Good deal, Pepper Jules. You got a chipmunk girlfriend. No time for us. Sergeant Baloney. It's terrible, isn't it? I don't feel old anyway. Neither do I, Lauren. Neither do I. Chipmunks are government's drones. Change my mind. Currently, I cannot. Okay? This dude ate like 4 bags of sunflower seeds, and now he leaves. He's a fair weather chipmunk. Yes, he's a fair weather chipmunk. When it's very hot out, he just like he doesn't come around. He likes 75-degree weather. Anything above 75, he just chills out in his hole. Hoped you can start the stream. Just hope you can start the stream. Odin, absolutely. There's not much going on with AMC right now after hours, though. I mean, we're trading sideways, dude. Definitely trading sideways. Youngest future millionaire in here. I love it, Luca. I love it, man. We're going to get there. What's it AMC? What's it AC temp set at, Clibro? 69. 69. 75 is good. I agree with Chip Bro. Yeah, 75 is good, but he really hangs out when it's like 75 degrees. If it's any hotter than that, he doesn't seem to come in here. Sideways is better than down. Sideways is definitely better than down. Chip Bro's a good example for us. He got all his shares of nuts, and he's holding. He's definitely holding because I don't see him going down there and eating them, so I know for a fact he's holding. I'm having dinner at 5:30. The old switch has officially flipped. Dang, dude. Dinner at 5:30. Brett, dinner time's like 8:30, man. New bedtime is 8:30. Oh, no. Oh, no. Bedtime's like 10:30, man. Maybe 11:30 if you're crazy. But like 10:30, bedtime. Well, unless we buy more like I did today. Nice, Mr. R. I hope Chip Bro comes and buys some more. Exactly. I'm going to fight it all the way anyway. Bedtime? Lauren's fighting bedtime? Most people never guess my age correctly. It's because your picture's so small, Natalie. Your picture's just so small. It's hard to guess your age. 5:30 a.m. wake up, 1 a.m. bedtime, 5:30 a.m. wake up. Dude, you need to sleep more. According to Ortex, utilization is 94.42%. So what if utilization hits 100? That just means the borrow rate's going to go up, man. It means we've seen it before, right? The borrow rate's going to go up, and it's going to be more expensive for him to hold. But it doesn't mean we see a short squeeze simply if the borrow rate or if the utilization rate goes to 100 and the borrow rate goes up. I made it until 2 a.m. last night. I was pretty proud. Normally, I'm done by 11. Brett, that's what I'm talking about, man. 2 a.m. is late. I still get ID'd, so I'm happy. They ID you for lemonade and iced tea in the UK? Seems a bit absurd, Lauren. I can't believe that they would ID you for lemonade and iced tea. Why would they do that? Doesn't make any sense to me. When I get home, J-Bones! I doubt it. I don't know. It might be, but you gotta look. Janet Fallon got more money from Citadel. Janet Yellen got more money from Citadel than government salary. Look it up. Yeah, somebody in here earlier said that it was like $800,000 from Citadel, and her salary's $200,000. So if we hold, we win. If everybody does, then yes. If everybody holds, then yes. Not everyone is approved, Clibro. Well, I still don't understand why they would ID her for lemonade and iced tea. That just sounds weird to me. Clay, what causes the borrow rate to go up? Less shares available to borrow, or higher demand to borrow those shares? I remember months ago it was super high at least 3 months. It's been low like 2% or less. Yeah, so if there's less shares to borrow, or if there's a higher demand to borrow. So like if everybody wanted to short it, the demand to borrow the stock would go up, therefore the borrow rate would go up. If there's no shares available to borrow, that supply is restricted, and therefore, I mean, unless nobody wanted to borrow the stock, then it would stay low. But if the supply goes down, then the borrow rate would go up. Yellen's grand total was in the millions for her speaking fees. Dude, do you think that Citadel would pay me millions of dollars to speak on YouTube? Somebody. Maybe I should ask. Janet Yellen, if you're watching right now, you've clearly got an in. Do you think that YouTube wants to sponsor these, or do you think that Citadel wants to sponsor these videos? Could you imagine if Citadel didn't do their homework and they sponsored my videos? Oh, God, that would be great. Rush Hour. Oh, no, man, I hate Rush Hour. Do you go to nightclubs? If by nightclub you mean the bedroom to sleep, then the answer would be yes. That is like the night action is going to the bedroom to go to sleep. So essentially, we have too many day and swing traders on the retail end of AMC. Super Steven, yeah, we definitely have too many of those guys. And the fact that the institutions themselves are swing trading and taking advantage of high frequency trading also adds to it. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of retail investors who are taking advantage of the volatility in AMC and swing trading and day trading it right now. Can't drink lemon or iced tea, unfortunately. What do you get then? Like fruit punch or water? Which one do you like? You're back? Yeah, I'm back. Oh, Juan, is that you? Bad Juan? How's my wife Natalie doing? And Cookie? Oh, Juan is. Hey, yeah, Juan is back. I went through and unblocked everybody like 2 days ago. So Juan's back. I love it, Juan. What's Juan? Now behave now. Behave, bad Juan. I loved nightclubs back when I was a youth. The flappers, the swing music, the bathtub gin. It just takes me back. Brett, those are the good old days, weren't they, man? The good old days. Now we got dinner at 5:30, bed by 8. Crazy. Clay's too exhausted to do anything after a few hours with these apes. Whew, I'm telling you, man, you guys, it's true. Sometimes. I don't know. Like, it's not that difficult to sit in this chair and talk to you guys, but the way you guys make my mind race, yeah, it's difficult. Yes, Amor, did you miss me? I can fly you out again. Juan is back in full force. Freak taking it to the B room. Natalie. Gotta take the good with the bad. Redline Sean, yes you do. Check out Gala Games, people. Check out Gala Games, people. Do it. Hedge funds equals Skynet. Hedge funds equal a lot of things these days, don't they? Oh, man. Oh, wow. I think that's the first time. Can you guys see the lava lamp? I think that's the first time the lava stayed connected and went all the way to the top. At least that I've seen. It's all the way to the top right now, and it's still connected. Oh, and I gotta tell you, so I forget, I think it was Irving. It was either Irving or Xavier. I forget who it was now. Told me not to drink the lava water because it would be bad. So I had to Google what was in it. And Google said it's basically just water. So this is wax that's in here, some sort of wax, and then it's water with a pinch of kerosene and some other chemical. And Google told me that if ingested, it might cause some problems. So might means most likely not. Like if Google says it might cause some, if somebody tells you, yeah, that might make you sick, it's definitely not going to make you sick. They just don't want you to do it. So I actually could. I could drink the lava water, and it wouldn't be a problem. So if anybody out there was wondering, I think it was Irving that was asking me about that. It might cause a problem, so I don't think so. I'm on board. Seriously, my vision is blurry as heck. I've been staring at my mobile for 14 hours. Crypto Rocketeer, good deal. Google is a liar. Natalie, no, Google's not a liar. I just interpreted the fact that Google said it might cause a problem to mean that it probably won't cause a problem. If I drink the lava water, it's traces. It's not even like, you can't even measure the amount of kerosene that is in the lava water, and then there was some other chemical that might cause a problem. They said that the traces of kerosene are like so small that it doesn't even matter, and then the other chemical would be the problem. I don't know what it was, but if anybody tells you it might cause a problem, it might not cause a problem. Don't do it, Clay. Natalie. So, listen, if it does cause a problem, I potentially get to see my favorite nurse. If it doesn't cause a problem, I get to say that I drank lava lamp water. So I think it's a win-win either way. Like, tell me what would be the bad outcome in that situation. Don't roll the dice. Might is not good enough. No, might's definitely good enough for me. Like might is like if somebody tells you that might cause a problem, not even like might kill you, it just might cause a problem. I've had stomach problems before, but like if the alternatives are I get to meet my favorite nurse or I get to tell people that I drank lava lamp water, I don't see a bad outcome on either one of those. Alan says, do it. Exactly, Alan. I just cut my best friend's hair because he's shorting AMC. Hustle life. I need a haircut too. I'm not shorting AMC, but I do need a haircut. You want to come over here and help out? Can someone put me on a 300-second timeout so I can rest my eyes? Crypto Rocketeer. Can you put yourself on a 300-second timeout? What does that look like since you're a mod? Today was a boring day for AMC. Even if we barely went green, it would still have been a boring day. Francisco, yeah, man. Yeah, especially towards the afternoon, we started to trend sideways. I'm a risk taker. Hot nurse for the win. Redline Sean says, go for it, man. Lauren says that. And you know what? If that's the worst that happens, Lauren, if that's the worst that happens, you know, we move on. We move on. Technically, if it goes bad, you get to tell people both. You still drank it. Oh my gosh. Brett. Brett always comes through, man. Brett always comes through. So technically, you would kind of want it to go bad. You still get to say you drank lava lamp water, and you get to see your favorite nurse. I don't understand. Man, Brett is like a win-win-win. I'm a win-win kind of guy. Brett's a win-win-win kind of guy. Dude. Gets better with age, doesn't it, Brett? AMC, my midlife crisis. Lido, nice. At least you're going to be doing well on your midlife crisis, dude. Either it's going to cause your midlife crisis or you're buying it for your midlife crisis, and then you're going to do very well. Clay, what goes in must come out. You do not want the lava juice coming out. Just saying. I wouldn't drink all of it. Like, I think that would fill more than my water bottle up. Like, that's a lot to drink in one sitting. I'm just talking like a cup. Like a cup. Not a sip, just a little sip. Like I'm talking like a couple gulps, man. It's not gonna be that bad. Clay, saw a thumbnail. This could be the last $30 dip. What are your thoughts? Chris, my thoughts on the thumbnail would be they wanted you to click on it. And it sounds like a nice one, right? Because also, this could be the last $30. Okay, no, they're legit. This could be the last $30 dip, for sure. But it also could not be the last $30 dip. We're so close to that $30 range. Like, we are just right there, man. We're right there. We're not in an uptrend yet, but we did bounce off that $30 level of support. So, and you guys can see, I mean, it's a significant level. If we can hold it, we're good. But if we watch this thing downtrend again and break through, you know, clearly not. But I hope that it is the last time we bounce off and then we absolutely go to the moon now. If not, my life moves on, man. We're still doing good. Willing to hold to 14. Sergeant Baloney. Nice. Fruit Bowl in the chat. What's up, Fruit Bowl? I don't think Agent's here. Lauren, drink whiskey. That would be safer. I don't know if it would. I've never tasted whiskey before, and sounds dangerous to me. Lava water sounds much better than whiskey. I don't know why. It just does. It's my favorite cryptocurrency. Dang, man. My probably favorite cryptocurrency, strictly because it was the nicest run I had in crypto, is Ravencoin. But I probably like Ethereum better than Bitcoin out of the main players. But like Ravencoin for me is a classic. If AMC dips to 20, will you drink the lava? Nufo. No, I will not do it for a $20 dip. Okay, Clay, I'm here. Dude, what's up with the Rule 01 that takes effect on the 20th? What can you tell me about it? I can't tell you much about it, Eric. I don't know. Is that the same one that we were talking about a couple of weeks ago that was supposed to get approved? There are so many different rules, man, with so many different numbers. I don't know which ones that I've already read. So is that the one that like 3 weeks ago everybody was excited about, but it's just now taking effect? Ethereum or, in my opinion, Ethereum. Crypto Rocketeer. I'd prefer Ethereum, but like I don't know, man. I watched Ravencoin go from like a penny and a half to 28 cents. So that's why I like that one. Crypto guys, so I did a thing, guys. I doubled my position today when it dropped under 30, praying it don't drop more. Crypto Kai, very nice. Eric, I hate to be the bearer on this, but don't count on any rules. The SEC doesn't have to enforce it. Rules don't mean enforcement. It's not even the bearer of bad news, dude. I wouldn't really rely on one rule to change the game for us. I wouldn't. Even if it's a great one, I wouldn't rely on it. Okay, I will let you off this time. We gotta hold Nick accountable more often, man. This job thing that he's got, it makes him MIA. I don't like it. What's going on with that candle? 20-cent candle? Nice. My favorite is Crypto Rocketeer. That's my favorite. That's how I should have answered, Brett. My favorite crypto is Crypto Rocketeer. Yes. Don't worry about losing hair. It'll only move to your back. Sergeant. Nice, dude. No timeouts for mods. No timeouts for the mods, man. You guys got to stay on it. I'm the one that doesn't believe. It's the one that doesn't allow naked shorts anymore. I believe it forces them to locate them. Yeah, Eric. I have to look into it a little bit better then, man, because naked shorts are currently not allowed anyway. So I don't know what the difference in wording would be that would change anything on that one. So I don't know if it's just like restating what's already been stated or what exactly it is. Peach Daisy bought 250 more. Very nice, Peach Daisy. I like those 2 coins. Oh, gotcha. I thought you were talking about Cardano or Ethereum, which one I liked more. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, those are both good. I like Proof of Stake, too. I like Proof of Stake and Proof of Work coins. I've been mining since 2017, so I like that, but Proof of Stake's nice, too. Cardano or Cardano, however you want to say it. I like it. Claybro sung to you recently. I have, Nick. I have. I think it was like 4 o'clock when I sang. Peach, that's a long name to tag. That is a very long name. Peach Daisy and Rosalina Channel 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a very long name. There's been a lot of singing. Yes, there has. But not enough. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, for real, Brett. Happy birthday, dear Brett. Happy birthday to you. Brett, do you plan on having like some sort of like a birthday party, or is anybody going to be giving you cake, or like, is anybody going to be singing? Is there going to be a group of people singing to you? Because if there is, oh my gosh, please, like, give me a countdown in the chat. Turn me on speakerphone, and then let me start the birthday song. And let me sing with the family, man. Even if it's this weekend, whenever you're having the party, even if it's this weekend, dude, turn it on speaker, let me start, like, you do a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and I'll start the singing, and everybody else can join in. That would be incredible. Clay, do you have a bro code? Like a discount code for bro merch? No, there's no discount code for bro merch. I don't have any bro code, dude. Lauren, what burner account has a birthday today? Ooh, Nick F asking about the burner accounts. Does Philip have a birthday? Does Elizabeth have a birthday? Whose fake birthday is it? Do you think we'll transition to the upside after this $30 bounce? Not watching as closely lately, but holding to the moon. Sydney, yeah, if 30 holds up as support, we will see a bounce to the upside. 30 is a very significant level, so it all depends on how we hold up down here. After we go to the moon, you guys stay off my lawn. Yeah, we'll stay off your lawn after we go to the moon. Heading to see family now. Probably no singing until later, though. What time, Brett? What time? Because 2 things can occur, man. One, there's a high likelihood that I will open a live stream after. Instead of doing a video, there's a high likelihood that I might open a live stream following Trey and Adam Aaron's interview. Like, if they don't have any questions going on, or if they're not interacting with anybody in the chat. There's a high likelihood that I will do that. Otherwise, there's a high likelihood that I will open the broadcast just to tell you and sing happy birthday with your family. Discount code is winning giveaway. That's the best discount code there is. Nigga, Bethany, she's robbed my picture, though. Cheeky Muppet. Cheeky little Muppet. Bethany, stop robbing the picture. I hate price predictions, but is it possible for AMC to reach 300? Like, in your realistic opinion, I can't stand 100,000. Abe's 300 pays off my house. Super Steven, I think 300 is definitely realistic, man. If everybody is willing to hold out. And it's the same It's the same It's the same response no matter what price we're talking about. The only thing we have to do is see how long the majority of holders are willing to hold out. If everybody holds out to 300, absolutely. If everybody's like, well, I want to take my profit at $70, we're going to go to 70. If they're like, I want to take my profit at 7,000, we go to 7,000. So it all comes down to how long people are willing to hold. Hey, Natalie Hess. Natalie Hess in the chat, too. Oh, this is getting good. Happy birthday, Brett. Yes. Clay, FTDs happen daily. Brokerages can't find them within the 2 days. Dude, they absolutely. That's the broker's job, man. It's the broker's job. And that's a naked share. Yeah, but that's the broker's job, dude. If like the broker facilitates the transaction, and if they can't deliver the stocks to that person's account, then it's a naked share. You are 100% correct on that, aka naked share. Yes, I believe what the rule is stating is that brokerage has to locate the share ahead of time. Thoughts? I mean, they have to anyway. They have to anyway. So listen, man. If that was the actual case, and they had to locate it ahead of time, that would potentially kill day trading. Because right now I can go buy a share of AMC, and I have that share of AMC as of the moment I buy it. I get to experience the price gain. So if I bought AMC today and it rips up 3,000% today, I get that gain. If they have to locate the share and put it in my account before, I potentially may not own that share for 3 days, 4 days after I purchase it. So that would be like you're buying futures instead of buying shares. I don't know if that's what they're going to end up doing or not with that. Lauren, just curious what Cheeky Muppet would be equivalent to in the U.S. Like, is it a term of endearment, or would it be calling someone asking for a friend? What do you mean? It's exactly what I would say. And I'm from the U.S. Like, Natalie, when you're complimenting my mustache, I would say, you cheeky little Muppet, you don't like my mustache. Come on now. It's like that. It's a term of endearment. Christopher Curdy, thank you for the super chat. Christopher says, still waiting on my baby girl. Shorts have not covered. Great job and energy, bro. Dude, when's this baby girl gonna get here, Christopher? Come on now. We're all waiting. Not just you. We're all waiting. And Christopher Curdy with the thank you. Christopher Curdy with the thank you. Who? Christopher Curdy with the thank you for the super chat, man. We're all waiting on this baby girl to get here. What is she doing? What is she doing, man? Come on. We need to hang out. Technically, like, if it's her birthday today, I can sing her happy birthday. Dude, if she's born today, I'll sing her happy birthday. That would be great if she shares the same birthday as Brett. She's got a lot to look forward to in life, man. She does. Today's the day, man. Today's the day. What up, Clay? If they were smart, they would cover now. Mental. They are smart, but not smart enough to cover now. It's just friendly flirting whilst blushing. Oh, you cheeky little Muppet. Oh, you cheeky little Muppet. Oh, no. She Dogecoin. That will happen to AMC soon. Squeeze and hold. Let's get it. Christopher, being stubborn. Darn, man. This girl needs to have a good birthday. Natalie Hess. Cheeky Muppet. Yes. Lauren called me a cheeky little Muppet. I forget what I even said. She said that I look 24 or something, or she said I look 15, and then I said something about being 45, and she called me a cheeky little Muppet, and then she said something, and I was like, you cheeky little Muppet, you're lying, you're actually 24, what are you doing? So that was that conversation, if you missed it earlier. G, Clay, this shorts these shorts have to cover stuff. The shorts have to cover stuff. It seems to me they really don't have to cover for a very long time since they're cleaning up on premiums on call options. Yeah, GD. They don't have to cover on any time frame. They can hold these out for a very long time if they want. Especially if nothing changes, man. If nothing changes and we give up before they do, then you are right on that one. If she's born today, go middle name Brett. Middle name Brett, Texas. Nick F. Nice, man. Yes, if she's born today, Christopher, middle name Brett, Texas. I like it. You gotta pay respect to the guy. It's his birthday today, too. So, Brett, Texas, middle name. I like it. Clay, what I'm saying is this new rule is stating you have to locate the shares first for the purpose of shorting the market. It does not say anything about locating for buying the shares. Big difference. Yeah, but somebody's selling you those shares, though. Like, if you're buying a share that somebody was selling to you, because somebody is clearly selling those shares to you. So, if you were buying a share that was being shorted, then that's the only way that a naked short can come into existence in the first place. So yes, there is a big difference, but if you were buying one of those shares that you were buying from somebody that was shorting it, that's what was going through my mind when I was thinking about that. Well, no, Nufo, I'm not going to stream Trey's interview, but I will most likely go live right after his interview. I don't want to stream his interview, man, because I don't want him to be like mad that people would have watched it here instead of there. I would rather just watch it there. He's the one that's got the interview, so we can all go watch it there. But then most likely, if he doesn't take any questions, or if Adam Aaron doesn't take any questions during the thing, then we'll just jump back on here. We can answer some questions, see what he's got to say. I think that it's most likely just going to be like a restatement of the earnings call, though. I like it, Nick F. Me too. I love it. Yes, Christopher Curdy loves it. Brett, Texas, middle name, and she's born today. Good deal, guys. Let's make it happen. Clay, that's my point. Yeah. That's my point. The rule will undoubtedly eliminate the ability to naked short the market. Hey, man, if it does, good. If it does, good. I just don't want it to result in anything that would like stop the shares from being available in your account at that point in time. I wouldn't want them to really move things around and say that you don't actually own those shares until they hit your account. Natalie, it's a Liverpool thing. It's just a cheeky person. It can be used in a nice, friendly way or a bad way. Well, Lauren, which way were you using it? Was it nice and friendly, or was it bad? You all know that cheeky. You all know what cheeky is, right? I hope so. Or it's even more difficult to explain. Explain it, Lauren. Explain it, because I got a couple different things that come to mind when thinking about cheeky. I need an explanation. Please. We are waiting. I need an explanation on cheeky. Because one of them is bad. And one of them is really bad. Y'all get naughty in here. 11-11, Mr. Simon. Never. Natalie, like Chipro. Lauren, when I hear cheeky, I think of a person that has big cheeks. They're cheeky. Yeah, like Chipro. Exactly, like Chipro. I've heard that a Swiss bank and a New York bank bought a bunch of shares recently. Is that factual? Chris, I've seen the stuff on that, and they can be from 13F filings, so it most likely is factual, man. But I don't know. I don't have those actual numbers to let you know about. Cheeky and M cargo shorts, that's what I'm talking about, Nufo. Oh, yes. Slightly rude in an innocent way. Crypto Rocketeer. Never. Never. In a little innocent way. I will never be rude, you cheeky little muppet. What's up with the little muppet, though? What's up with the little muppet? I meant Jim, bro. I said Clay, bro. Freudian slip there. My bad. It's your bad. You are bad, Natalie. You are bad. The market, that transaction won't out. Clay, you're thinking too hard. Dude, I always think too hard, man. If I process an order to purchase shares, it goes through if the shares are available. However, if the brokerage doesn't have the shares, that can be sold into the market that transaction won't happen. Yeah, but I don't want. So yes, you're correct, man. But I don't want it to like not happen, and then you're just stuck waiting. Because if it doesn't happen, I mean, right now, if it doesn't happen, you're still essentially saying that there wouldn't be a naked short out there if the transaction doesn't go through. And again, a cheeky man is a woman's dream. No woman once what? No woman likes an axe gash for a boy. Oh, man. Oh man, I need to fill out these cargo shorts a little bit better. I need to start buying smaller shorts. If I stand a chance, I gotta buy some smaller shorts. Rocket is in the chat. Driving. Just got done. Did I miss Brett? Yes, you did miss Brett, dude. We all miss Brett. But Brett's on his way, and we are going to be able to sing happy birthday to Brett. I'm starting to wonder how shorting can hurt the stock, because can't we all just put high sell orders on our stock? Wouldn't that be the same difference? Yeah, dude, so shorting can hurt the stock because people are still willing to buy those shares at that lower price, and more selling pressure lowers the price of the stock. But if nobody was willing to sell, and we all did put high sell limits on, everybody put high sell limits on, then yeah, the stock goes up. Guys, I apologize for my behavior. I'm a goof. Natalie, never apologize for your behavior. Oh my goodness, never apologize for your behavior. One of these days, you can be sitting in that chair apologizing for your behavior, but do not apologize over the internet for your behavior. Please! Look at this. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Crypto. Ooh, rocket. Hey, I like it. I'm never a goof. I'm never a goof either. Did anybody say rocket on break? I call my dad. Or my dad calls me. I forget which one it was now. I say hello. He goes, rocket! I'm like, oh my gosh. So, yeah, if you guys don't think that Dad's listening, he typically listens to, like, every stream. So, he knows you guys by now. And actually, I did see Mom in here earlier. I don't know if she's still in here or not, but I did see her in here earlier. If someone pushed in the queue, they would be cheeky. Okay. If they robbed from you, they would be cheeky. But Muppet is an annoying person. It was in a nice, friendly way. Okay, so pushed in a queue, so that means they cut you in line. I'm getting it now. If they pushed in a queue, they cut in line, they're cheeky. That's just... Dude, there's no difference to me in a person that's going to cut in line and a person that's going to rob you. It might as well be the same thing. So, a cheeky little Muppet. And a Muppet is an annoying person. So, dude, oh no, man. I'm an annoying little line cutter. I'm an annoying... God, Lauren, could you have, like, I'd rather be called a shill. I'd rather be called a shill than an annoying little line cutter. Oh my goodness. Lauren is a bird Claybro's trying to catch. I don't know if it's going to happen, man. Clay doesn't know cute. I'm telling you, man. Like, she just called... I'd rather... Is Danger here? Danger's never here. Danger! Are you here right now? I'm so embarrassed. Your parents probably think I'm awful. I'll ask them. Dad, Mom, if you're in the chat right now, you think that Natalie is as wonderful as I think she is, don't you? We'll find out. We'll find out if they answer. And if you didn't hear me and you're like, what? I'll say it again. Mom, Dad, you guys think that Natalie is as wonderful as I do, don't you? We'll find out. But it is true. I would rather be called a shill than an annoying little line cutter. So, oh my goodness, Lauren. The ultimate slam. Dude, the ultimate rip right in front of everybody. Cheeky little Muppet is the U.S. equivalent to saying... Yeah. Natalie, that's just terrible, man. It's terrible. YOLO. That's what I'm saying, Transparency Project. You only live once. Dave is not here right now. Dave! What's going on, Dave? How you doing, man? CDC NSCC 2021-010 is being implemented on August 24th instead of the 45-day time given. Good deal, man. A lot of people have mentioned that. Keys, Amazias, and a lot of people are excited about it. Crypto, yeah, help me out here. Help me out, because I'm just an annoying little line cutter. Using the word Muppet is typically used between friends in Manchester talk. Still, man, still, I'm an annoying little line cutter. Better than backbiter. What? Oh, man, what is that? No name. I don't even know what that is, dude. But it sounds good. It sounds good. It's probably the worst thing I've ever been called in my entire life. You annoying little line cutter. We need a green day at least once this week to stay above 30. Yeah, and we need it to happen tomorrow because we have a red day tomorrow. We're likely to go down below 30. Cotton-headed Ninny Muggins is another one, Chris. That's a good one, too. Clay, you're looking good right now. Never on here on my phone walking through. What do you mean you're never on your phone, dude? Crap, dude. Does that mean if you're on your computer, I look terrible? So you're a friendly, annoying little line cutter. Yes, I'm a friendly, annoying little line cutter. It's getting better. It's getting better. Clay's a world champion in confusing meanings. No, man. Because you said, like, a person that cuts in line that's just bad. And then a Muppet is an annoying person. So I'm an annoying little line cutter. Oh, no. I think tomorrow is a pivotal, Clay. I hate to say it, but... No, dude, hey, Super Steven, you're probably right, man. Because if we get down to... Tomorrow could be important. I don't know if we've got a big down day tomorrow. Yeah, we're likely to drop below 30, and that's going to suck. But tomorrow we could bounce off this $30 level of support and go up from there. So I think you're right on that one. Clay, did you figure out your phone situation? Mental. Fixed itself, dude. It fixed itself. It's no longer wet. Kids, can you help us all out? Explain the rule, the way you understand it for Clay and us. Yeah, kids, if you know about it, let us know what you think, man. I haven't read the full rule. See Clay's rule? I'm talking about kids. Gosh, yeah, got Clay, you cheeky little Muppet, you mind cutter. You mind cutter. Yes, I'm a mind cutter. Oh, man. I'm bursting blood vessels laughing here, Lauren. Dude, stay safe, man. Stay safe. Natalie, are you a traveling nurse? Because if not, Crypto, you need to calm down a little bit. If you're bursting blood vessels, Natalie is not going to fly to... Where are you from? Where are you living right now? Are you in Sweden? Or are you just making fun of Johan? Now, I don't even know. But, yeah, we can't have you bursting any blood vessels over there. Natalie is... She's stuck with me, dude. If I burst my blood vessel, yes. But if you burst yours, you're out of luck, dude. You're just a cheeky little line cutter. Cheeky, you're an annoying little line cutter. If you burst your blood vessel, man. Brett, did you not get on? Is Brett here? Oh. Just got here, got to go. Oh, no! Clay, thanks and everyone for the birthday wishes. Love you all and rock it. Don't spend the night getting ready. You got to meet the family eventually. Yes, Brett, for real, man. Enjoy the evening. And if you're feeling cheeky, if you're feeling like a little Muppet, and you want me to sing on speakerphone, I will absolutely do it. I will start the song, dude. I don't know if your family's like, yeah, we're all on board with singing Happy Birthday. If you're not, I will definitely start it for you. So, I'll be watching out for you, Brett. Have a good evening, man. Have a good day. Bye. Yes, absolutely. AMC dropping. No, it's doing fine right now. Nano, happy birthday, buddy. Absolutely. I'd like to bust a blood vessel too. Alfonso. It's dangerous wishes there, man. Clay cutting lines. It's like pretzel day. Can't cut lines on pretzel day, man. You gotta wait in line. Pretzel day is serious. Happy birthday, Brett. Oh, yes. Everybody's throwing the birthday wishes out for Brett. If you go down to the 20s, the sentiment and faith will be tested. All baby apes was acquired. Good paper hand. And the OG apes holding. Which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that, Super Steven. And then it could also just prove to be another buying opportunity for a lot of people who wish they would have gotten in at 20. So, we will see. If we go down there, we will see what happens. Well, I'm back to where I was this morning, so I call this a neutral day. AMC strong. I'm cool. Definitely, man. Happy birthday, Brett, bro. Yes. It's impossible to be a mod right now. It's all right, Crypto. I don't think anything needs modded at the moment. Brett, turn the volume up for Clay Serenade. Do it, Brett. I'm telling you, man, if you wanted to make it happen, as soon as you guys cut that cake, or as soon as you guys bring the cake out, I'll be singing. No problem on that one. Still my birthday. It is still Carlos's birthday as well, and Carlos is still hanging out here with us. Carlos, man, I'll do the same thing for you, dude. If you're hanging out with the family and you guys are afraid to start the birthday song, I'll start it for you too. You think OG Apes will unload a ton of money into AMC if we get into the 20s, enough to turn this movement around? I think it's likely. I think it's likely that if we drop down there, we could see an increase in buying pressure, Steven. I really do. Roll 01 all on your stream and give us your opinion, please. I asked because, well, Eric, I don't know if I can do it during the stream because it's probably really long, and I don't want to sit here reading like 20 pages or anything in front of everybody because that's really boring. But I can try and do that. And if you got a link, just send it to me on Twitter now, and I'll try to check it out later. Thanks, guys. Awesome. Carlos, absolutely. Happy birthday to you as well again, Carlos. Yes, happy birthday, Carlos. January to June was 5 months in between gammas. Is it possible we're waiting out a lull, or is it possibly it could be done? Just trying to keep my head straight. Natalie, I don't think it's done. I do think that the thing in June was a lot of FOMO buying, and it was a decent combination of a gamma squeeze, not a short squeeze necessarily, but there were about 17 million shorts they covered, and then a ton of FOMO buyers jumping on. The FOMO buyers, the majority of the FOMO buyers that jumped on during the June run-up are getting off board already, and that's why we're watching the stock price drop back down. So I don't think that we're done. I think that we still have plenty of room left to run up. Freaking starving. Transparency Project. Got some shrimp fried rice, dude. Eric, the safe answer is don't count on rules to be the SEC does their job. Besides that, buy and hold. Where's my chipmunk friend? Mike Harrison. The chipmunk friend has not been in the house in like 5 days. I'm getting kind of concerned. Quick question. In your humble opinion, do you think the buy button will disappear once they start covering? Alfonso. I don't think so, but it's not to say that it won't, man. Gary Gensler tweeted, oh, wow. Fatima, interesting. Now, the shorts haven't covered. Absolutely. So, and I'm here for the short squeeze. I'm not here for another FOMO run-up or a gamma squeeze. I'm here for a short squeeze. I want to watch the shorts cover. Naked shorting, coming to an end. Kids, very nice. I mean, naked shorting is technically at an end, but I don't know what this rule is going to do. 7 o'clock on the dot. I got a real pretty Brady waiting for me, pulled up. I don't even know how that song would go. Do you have a favorite crypto? Just curious. Yeah, it depends, man. I watch Ravencoin run up the most. So I like Ravencoin, but I also like that's one of the lesser known coins. But I'd rather have Ethereum than Bitcoin at this point. Natalie, I'm a FOMO buyer from June and still here. I had no idea about AMC when I found it out. I jumped in and I'm holding until the squeeze. Natalie, if everybody that jumped on in June was like you, we would still be in the 70s, 80s, 90s at this point. If everybody was like you, we would be doing much better. 150 in here and only 86 likes. Support Clay, bro. Subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you very much, Nufo. Appreciate that. How will the share count, recount benefit or affect us? Junior, I don't think it will, because all they would be doing is recounting, not authorized shares, but registered shares. That's all they'd be recounting, and that's the 513 million number. But I'm singing while I'm getting ready for bread. Nice, Rocket. Nice. Hopefully you and the family have a good time over there. I'm liking that green candle. It's on the chart right now, though. That does look pretty nice here. 31.20. 30-cent candle. 30-cent candle there. That's nice. 55 and now down to 40. Very nice, Natalie. Crypto Rocketeer is our... Oh, yeah, I forgot. Crypto Rocketeer is my favorite crypto. Now, they're not financial advice, but I've been in since October 2020. Stay patient and you will be rich. I've been tempted to sell so many times. We hold for each other. AMZ to Pluto. I'm in the red right now, so definitely not selling. That means I lose. They will pay me, and I will win. I love the attitude, man. I love the attitude. Me too. Got in at 21. Bought more at 55, 56. 100 shares at 38 average. Zero thought of selling pre-squeeze. Oh, no. I just combined two comments. Maybe can't remember. Nice, mental. And then I jumped in kind of late. Almost to 100 shares at 38 average. Zero thought of selling pre-squeeze. Nice, Chris. Clay, should we take pre and aftermarket action with a grain of salt? Well, Super Steve, I don't know if you should take it as a grain of salt, like Wrench says, but I mean, they're not going to be able to cover all of their shares, pre-market, aftermarket. But I mean, we could still run up pre-market and then have a nice gap on the day. So I wouldn't take it with a grain of salt, but I still think that they're not going to be able to cover all of their shares during pre-market and post and aftermarket. I have XXXX shares. Average price is 12. Velocity, very nice. Natalie has 100. What did Natalie say? Nice, Natalie. I started as a January FOMO buyer and did the same. I remember the wait. Oh my gosh. Doesn't it feel better now though? Doesn't it feel better now? Natalie has. Rhode Island, what's up, Clay, bro, and all the bros and broettes? How's everyone feeling today? Feeling a wee bit bullish over here. Rhode Island, I like it. We're definitely bullish over here as well. It's easy on my mobile now. Didn't see what Nick had to say. Oh, crypto. Autocorrect doesn't like your name. It takes me a while to try and type it. Yes, Crypto Rocketeer would take a while. You got to save that one in your chat somewhere. Save that one in your text somehow. Was buying at 60, 50, and 40, by the way. And she was still buying all the way up and the way down. I like it, Natalie Hess. I like Super Steven's comment. We hold for each other. Keep the community strong. Yes, keep the community strong, guys. That's what we are. We are a community. Much easier on the computer. Yes, it looks a lot easier on the computer when you just type @ and then start somebody's name. And you can just click on it. I bought every possible level, over 2,500 shares now. Mike Harrison, nice, man. Looks like a... What? Looks like a as this candle? I don't know what is AS, man. I'm not getting that one. Nice, Natalie. I'm a 96. Soon to be 100. Christopher, very nice. Why does... Oh, that's Tigger State. Because he plays with poo. I'm cool. Very nice joke. I like it. My portfolio is in pain right now, but nothing worth having. It comes easy. I will wait it out longer than they will. I absolutely will too. And you are correct. Nothing worth having comes easy. That's why I'm willing to drink this lava water. I don't even like hospitals. Natalie, I don't even like hospitals. Doctors and nurses and don't even like hospitals, but I'm willing to drink the lava water. Be nice if YouTube app would get that feature. It would be really... YouTube, if you're listening right now, which you're probably not since you don't like me. If you are listening, we would like to be able to tag people while using the YouTube app. I know you're transcribing this live, so you have to look at that, but... flag it somehow. We would like to be able to tag people in the chat while using the YouTube app on our phones. Got you, Nick. Got you, man. Just going to keep buying to get my average down. 361, Dennis Robles, Texas. Very nice, man. I like it. I think I'm totally clueless about is the covering of the shorts positions. In other words, what exactly happens and who are they covering? I know nothing about this phase in our play. Mental. So they've borrowed it. Let's say I shorted a stock. All right, I borrowed it from you, and then I sold it to Nick F. I think it's going to go down, right? Well, if I cover that position, I have to go out there and maybe Natalie is willing to sell me a share. So whatever the stock price is at right now, I still owe you that share. I borrowed it from you. So I go buy it from Natalie and give it back to you. So now I've made you whole, and whether or not I made or lost money on that transaction, Nick F has his share because I sold him yours, and I needed to give you yours back, so I bought Natalie's off of her that she was willing to sell and gave it to you. So that would be them covering shorts, is they're going out there and giving back what they borrowed. Jeff, okay, I'm here. Let's get this started. Where's the what? Where's the lemonade? Go get one, man. Natalie, Clay, that lava water will give you explosive diarrhea. It's lava, water, and lava explodes. Don't do it. Nothing in life that is worth having comes easy, Natalie. And if that's what I have to do, it's what I'm willing to do. I may also be willing to eat cabbage and apples. I think I'd rather have lava water than cabbage and apples, though. I don't know. Sergeant, what else? Rhode Island says, Ed Sergeant, what else is there to eat other than crayons? I don't know. Maybe bananas? There's a good reason for YouTube not liking you, Clay. I called them earlier, and apparently you were a cheeky muppet. Yes, dude. I don't understand why anybody would like an annoying little line cutter So I understand why YouTube does not like me, man. Claude says there's a perfect Wu-Tang W on the chart right now. We got a perfect Wu-Tang W on the chart right now. I like it, Claude. Oh, we got to go Big Weeble. Got to go Big Weeble. Boom! Boom! Nice. W on the chart right now. Oh, and we're running now. We're running, guys. Look at that. It's not much, 10 cents, but when you bust through that resistance, look what happens. A 10-cent run right there. Boom. Scalp that. You made 10 cents on the trade. I like it. Now you made 15 cents on the trade. Is cabbage and apples another Lauren thing? Yes. Cabbage and apples is a Lauren thing. I don't know why she was eating cabbage and apples that one night, but I have to decide, guys. I have to decide cabbage and apples or lava water. Oh, boy. I think both might end up in good stories. I bought it at $20 back in January. Bought dips starting at $5, and then 6, 7, 8. Have bought every dip since February, including another 100 at $29.70 today. 28,000 total AMC shares. I'm an all-in ape. Paul, insane, man. Insane. 28,000 shares of AMC all in. Dude, it sounds like it's working out very nice for you, man. Clay's rolling the dice. Natalie, gotta be worth it, though, Natalie. Gotta be worth it. Forgot I was driving home. No beer. Iced tea it is. Jeff, good deal, man. Good deal. Grab that iced tea. Is that what you said? Yeah, grab that iced tea. Yes, it's rocks. It rocks, I promise. Yes, Nick, it is rocks. I promise. So this cheeky little Muppet wants to eat something. That's what it was, right? Cheeky little Muppet. Oh, yeah. What was the other one? What was the other one with the... when you steal something? Oh, I'm going to remember this. I'll remember it. After I tell Christopher Curdy, thank you very much for the super chat. The stock market is a device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. Hey, it really is, guys. Day trading is dangerous. You can do very well at day trading, but typically the guy that's willing to stay in it for the long term is going to be more successful, at least on a more regular basis, than a guy that's impatient and has to get out as soon as he sees a loss come into his portfolio. So, Christopher Curdy, absolutely, man. I know that you didn't say that, it's Warren Buffett, but thank you for reminding everybody that patience pays off when it comes to the stock market. Now, what was the thing? What was the thing when you steal something from somebody? Oh, man. Don't knock it till you try it. I know, I'm not knocking it just yet. Just wait for... Did anyone... Crap, don't tell me yet. I think I'll check your word for it. When you said Roger, theft is not the word, man. Oh. Did it have to do with a leaf? What? Pinch! Pinch that Snicker bar. Yes, pinch that Snicker bar. All right, so Lauren just said that, this might be bad. Lauren just said that cabbage and apples, it's rocks. So cabbage and apples are now rocks. So I'm a cheeky little Muppet that wants to pinch Lauren's rocks. Think about that one for a while, guys. Think about that one for a while. Tea leaf. Yeah, the tea leaf was the thing there, but pinching was when you're stealing something. And since she said it was rocks, and she did say it's rocks. I know that was probably a typo, but cabbage and apples, it's rocks, guys. So cabbage and apples are rocks, and I'm a cheeky little Muppet that wants to pinch Lauren's rocks. Get that one. It enhances the sweetness of the red cabbage, butter, and a little salt. You can't go wrong. I mean, the more you talk about it, the better it sounds, but it still sounds a little weird. Can you explain how shorts can borrow a share to cover a share? Some are confused. Yeah, dude, so, I mean, essentially on that, you would just borrow a share to give back to the guy you already borrowed from, but you would be borrowing it at that higher price, though. So keep that in mind, too. It's almost like it doesn't matter if you're buying it off somebody or if you're still borrowing it. You're still borrowing it at that same place. So instead of Natalie selling me her share, I would just be borrowing Natalie's share at $31.50 right now. I would, instead of buying Natalie's share off of her and giving it back to you, I would be borrowing Natalie's share and giving it back to you. It does not change the short interest one bit. It does not do anything. All that would do is like raise my level on my short, raise my entry on my short. Robbing a house. I don't want to rob a house. You gotta pinch it. Clay likes pinching people's rocks. Sinister. You heard it here first, man. Pinch. Yes, Jay. That is actually it. That is a naughty cheeky. I'm a naughty little muppet. Oh no. What's going on? What's the point in gains in closed pre-market when it's only going to cause a gap fill? Hello there. Well, it doesn't always cause a gap fill, right? Gaps don't always have to be filled. So running pre-market, running post-market doesn't always have to result in a gap fill. Eventually, these roosters have to come home to roost, right? Corey, yes. Can I tell you a quick story, Clay? Well, here we go. I got super lucky when I bought 200 shares of GME in November 2020. I didn't buy GME because of a short squeeze. I bought because Michael Burry had a large position. And my gains went into AMC. Mental. That was a very quick story. It was a very quick story, dude. But I really like that story. It was a good one. Clay, if you're short a stock and then that stock goes to 20% short interest, is that high enough for you to exit your short, or do you think that's not enough risk for short sellers? I don't think that's enough risk for short sellers. I think the risk for short sellers comes from knowing that they can or cannot get that stock back at a moment's notice. So right now, if they wanted to cover all of their shorts on AMC, they could do so in about 2 days. They could go out there, and AMC's trading 50, 60 million shares a day. 2 days, they could cover all their shorts if they wanted to. Now, if they knew that it was going to take them 6 months to cover those short positions, that's when they would potentially be looking at a higher risk. Hey, Clay bro, quick question. Just received an email from Robinhood about confirming my tax status. Is it safe to do before the squeeze? I'm new to stock trade. Tim, I have no idea about that email or what Robinhood wants to know on that, man. I'm sorry. I can't confidently answer that question because I wouldn't know what Robinhood would be sending you on that. Clay kicks the can down. That kicks the can down the road, right? Yeah. If they're just borrowing shares to cover, it doesn't really lessen their risk, though, if they were doing that, Jeff. Stop and nicking my stuff, you cheeky little tea leaf. Does cheeky little tea leaf make sense? Mental is the man. Thanks. Mental is the man. So, dude. What's up, Blake? What's up? CNM Cato never thought that would happen today. Just watch a movie to support AMC Suicide Squad 310. Who cares? Who cares now? 3 out of 10, but who cares now? Marcus, you didn't like Suicide Squad? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yes. We got some boom booms coming in right now. Very nice, guys. Very nice. We're running. I like it. Yeah, dude. It was the luckiest thing that happened to me. I had never made that much money in a short amount of time. Mental, that is awesome, man. Literally, it is awesome. It was a very quick story, but I did like it. I like to see when people are making money. I see. So it's more of a supply issue. We need to make the short sellers feel like they... And I think, yeah, Super Steven, I think if they realize that they cannot cover their shorts, they're going to view that as a risk. Time is the Adam Aaron. Does anybody know what time the Adam Aaron interview is? I was just on Trey's Twitter. I did not see it anywhere. If anybody knows, let me know. Yeah, it makes sense, Clay. Crypto Rocketeer, thank you. So you are a cheeky little tea leaf. What is a tea leaf again? No, I forget. Mod Squad chat coming up on my channel soon. Make sure you're subbed. Good times ahead. Very nice. Yeah, you guys subscribe to Transparency Project as well. Absolutely. Transparency, you know what time the interview is with Trey? But it fixes FTDs. So, if they can borrow it, right? It would fix an FTD if they could borrow it. The only reason that an FTD would exist is if they did not borrow the stock in the first place to give it to the person they were selling it to. That would be what causes the FTD. So if they could find it to borrow it and they cleared up their FTD with it, absolutely. Yes, it makes sense. What does tea leaf mean again? Now I forget. But I kind of do. I want to be a cheeky little muppet, or do I want to be a cheeky little tea leaf? Natalie, Adam, Aaron meeting. You mean interview sounds better? I know, but we are here to support you. AA meeting. Oh yeah, not Adam Aaron meeting. Yeah. All right, Natalie. If you got an AA meeting sometime soon, you forgot what time it was already. What the AA meeting once. Too many normal people made me self-conscious. Sergeant Baloney, man, it happens, right? Street is flooding. Oh no, Mr. Duty, go to your second floor. You'll be okay. You'll be okay, man. TV was streaming late. Probably. Everybody always streams so late. Don't they, Crypto Racketeer? Oh, T-Leaf equals a thief. All right, good deal. Good deal. Roger, thank you. Hell yes, you cheeky little deal. Oh, that's the same thing, though. I guess I could be cheeky. Like I could rob your house, or I could be a tea leaf. Could I be like ooh, cheeky little tea leaf? That would make sense, yeah, but cheeky little Muppet tea leaf? You cheeky little Muppet tea leaf, you? Muppety little cheeky tea leaf? Man, I need to go to the UK. I need to spend some time in the United Kingdom. SpaceX getting ready to launch a rocket. Is it really GameX or GameStocks? I wouldn't know. Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. Best things come to those who don't give up. All in your state of mind. Ape strong together. Stay the course. Mike Harrison, I love it, man. Natalie says, dye. Clay bro, did you dye a part of your hair? LOL. No. What part are you talking about? Does it look like it's dyed? Could be like here. It just could look a little like it needs to go down. Or it could be the reflection on the thing, or right here. Are you talking here? That's got to be from the orange glow on the lava lamp. See, I would say that's from the orange glow on the lava lamp. Yes, I dyed the front of my hair orange, guys. You'd get mugged, bro. I don't want to get mugged. I don't want to get mugged. Listen, it wouldn't even matter at this point. I think we talked about this yesterday. I've been robbed so many times, it wouldn't even matter. Just mug me. Just mug me. Lisa, hi, Clay and Hall. Hello. Clay, it's lit. My hair's lit? Yes. When razor? When squeeze, John. Razor when squeeze. A meeting? Where? Immediate Feathers World. Natalie's house. Are you tuning into the podcast with Ape Father and Bill Cosby? No, I don't think I'd be tuning into that. That one makes me feel better. It makes me feel better too, because for a second there, I was like, did I dye my hair? But no, it's gotta be the lava lamp. My gosh, you do a lot of talking when you start to choke. Good for you, bro. John, are you joining me? One Lambo. Soon Lambo! My psychic says AMC will squeeze on August 20th. You got a good psychic, man. I like it. I miss Cookie. Tell her to come back. Cookie, come back! We miss you in here. Cookie, come back! Clay, you should fight Ape Father. Roger, why? I don't want to fight Ape Father. Ape Father's a good guy. I just contacted the reps of Oklahoma to try to get help for all this corruption. I'm tired of being ripped off. Tamara! I'm tired of being ripped off too. Tamara. Oh yeah, I said Tamara before, and Crypto said, no, it's today, not tomorrow. Starbase is prepping Falcon Heavy. Oh, nice, dude. I have AA Apes Anonymous meeting later. I relapsed and I bought more shares. Sinister, it is all right, man. TP Clippers. What? Like the brand? I don't even know. TP? No. Rhode Island. Hey, neighbor. Can't listen to Matt anymore, dude. He won't even talk about AMC or GME. They're booming, and he's all about super chats for him. No answers to questions. Lisa, you're more than welcome to send me a super chat as well. But I have noticed that Matt does talk a lot about a lot of different stocks now, not just AMC and GameStop. First one, dang it. Tamara? I forget which one it is again, darn it. I think it's Tamara. So you said it. Yeah, but I said it so many times so quickly I forgot what the first one was. That's the bad part. Clippers is like a razor. Hair clippers. Yes. Oh, TB Transparency Project. Gotcha. Clippers is like a razor. Hair clippers. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you guys for helping me. Cookie, come back. You guys, you wouldn't stand a chance against Ape Father. You'd get tied up in his chest hair. Oh man, that would not. I wouldn't want to get tied, but maybe he would get tied up in mine, dude. Like this is like well trimmed right here. Maybe he would get tied up in mine. I could fight back. Well, you could have a. People are like, oh yeah, you guys need a toe fight. We could have a chest hair fight. It's like Velcro. It sticks together and then you gotta rip it apart. Good night, Russian man. Good night to you. What's your favorite alcoholic beverage? I don't have one, man. I've never tasted any alcoholic beverage. I think Matt's getting exhausted and weary. Possibly. I'm not getting tired though. I hear ya. He tends to go on tangents. Still a lot of good info though. I get what you're saying. Oh yeah, Rhode Island, man. We go on tangents in here too. We can get real out of focus. You can see it booming on the chart behind him. He's off raining. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being you, Lisa. Matt. Matt has RBF. What does RBF stand for? Clay. That's Sean Connery status chest hair. Roar. Ooh. Now we got Natalie looking at stuff that Natalie doesn't need to be looking at. We got to keep it calm in the chat right now, guys. We got it full zip. You can't be having all these comments coming out there about the chest hair and all that stuff. We don't need none of that. At least, folks, Matt takes the time to try and answer. Matt does have a very, very tough chat. Millions of comments to try to navigate. I don't know if millions. He does have a lot of comments, though. I love fighting as long as they crippled and old. Sergeant Baloney, it's better for you, isn't it? F Lambo, when El Camino. Transparency Project, sooner than Lambo. Tamara. Tamara. That's gotta be it. Tamara. Apple. Tamara. It's gotta be Tamara. Told you. Tamara. Yes. Transparency Project. Thank you. All right, Tamara. Very good. Oh man, that's always difficult, guys. It's just like you need simpler names. Be exhausting, making well over $1,000 a day. I don't hate the hustle though. It would be exhausting, dude. $1,000 a day. I'd shave my head for that kind of money right there. Tamara, yes, good dude. Smash that like button. Thank you, Jonathan. Smash that like button. AMC Green After Hours. Ooh, yes. Claybro needs to take that chest hair to the bedroom. Now with all this talk, I feel like we gotta go. M. James, thank you for breaking up the chest hair talk with the super stick. Oh man, wow, dude, you realize you have to go pee when you flip upside down. Thank you, M. James, for the super sticker, my man. That is a very good indicator of when you need to use the restroom. Wow, appreciate that very much, M. James. Oh man, I'm gonna be thinking about that all day. Super Steven, missed it, man. Sorry, I'm down here on M. James' super chat again. So if you got something and I missed it, yes. He zipped his hoodie to his chin. I did, Natalie. I did. Man. Hey, give transparency a wrench, man. M. James, should I give him your wrench? M. James, should I give him your wrench? How bad does transparency want a wrench? Should he get M. James's wrench? M. James, what do you think, man? What do you think? I'll tell you, Clay. I'm gonna guess 5'8". McSlipple my nipple. You're close, dude. I'd say like 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. Probably 5'10". Sure, Clay, if that's what you want to do. Oh man, M. James, now you threw it. I like it. M. James can play some tennis, man. I hit it his way, he hits it back. Now it's in my court again. Dang, man. M. James, I'll just say touche to you, my man. Touche. Very well played. I'm back. Doc Airline is back. Good deal, Doc. No, man, don't retract your message. I already saw it. Hi, Lisa. Hi, other Lisa. Crypto, Clay. Serious question. What time will you be here tomorrow, Clay? Probably around the same time, man. Around 11 o'clock Eastern time. What does that make it for you? Like 5 p.m. Which witch is which? You got me, Francisco. Which witch is which, dude? I don't know. My daddy Slipper Jones in the building. I have not seen Slipper Jones. That ain't the real. It's not the real Slipper Jones, is it? Did Slipper Jones get a different picture? Is that the real Slipper Jones? We get a different one now. Got you. Yes, Doc, he's got you for sure. Slipper Jones, it must be the real one. Yes. Antics really likes their fruit and vegetables, don't they? Interesting. Antics is really on with the fruit and vegetable game. Slipper in the house. When Chipro? I hope soon, man. Tomorrow say, what? You criticizing my poor English? No, never. We need Chipro live cam. We do, man, but Chipro has not been in the house in like a week, so I don't know what's going on with that guy. We'll figure it out soon, though. Well, the real Slipper Jones, please stand up. Slipper Jones, this is your time to shine, man. There he is, standing up. No offense, but Clay is probably old enough to be my son. Tamara. I don't know. I mean, I would guess that I'm old enough to be your son, or do you mean young enough to be your son? Now, I might just be in that perfect age range right there. It could go both ways. Me and Slipper always buy on the dipper. Mixed Slipper. I like it. What's up, Apes? What's up, Vinster? How you doing, man? September 13th. Christopher, is that the squeeze date? What do we got? I honestly don't like the Twitter spaces. I've never actually participated in one of those space calls. Oh my gosh, man. Why am I... Clay's 32. Yes. 32, 52. Hey, Tamara. You can go both ways then, right? 32, 52, 20. Nothing wrong with that. Clay is age ripe. Ooh, Natalie, I am ripe. Oh, God, the way you put that. Claude, thank you very much, Claude. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat, Claude. I appreciate that very much. That was an interesting one. It had to look like two different hands coming together, so it's good. Clay is old enough. It's true. I'm James. I'm old enough. Anybody else think otherwise? Clay, if Clay was my son, I would let him play in the street. Dude, that is like lifelong dream. Mom, Dad, if you're listening right now, would you even let me play in the street? Would you? Because Sergeant Baloney would let me play in the street. Every time I see a young black male with a black mask on, I think of the masked investor. Good deal. Did you ask? Because I feel like masked investor wouldn't tell you. I feel like he wouldn't tell you if it was actually him. Ripe for the picking. Ooh. When in doubt, take a drink of water. Make the chart bigger. It's a bit unclear like that. I'll make it bigger for a second. Yeah, we're not doing too much, man. We're just running up after hours, destroying it. $31.92, about to break $32 right now. I did call that right on the minute, didn't I? $31.99. Look at that candle right there. $31.99. We're about to break $32 per share on decent volume, man. 43,000 shares when the previous one was 1,400 shares. A lot of volume coming in on this one. We're about to break $32 per share. And good deal, guys. I like it. A nice little run that we got going on. So AMC at right now, $31.98. $31.98 is what it's at right now. I go around asking people if they're Nick F. Out of luck, man. No luck yet. I'm telling you, I go around asking people the exact same thing. And they tell me no. Oh, man, Super Steven, you never know, dude, you never know. Antics, what did Antics have to say? Antics, if Clay was my son, he wouldn't know. who daddy is. Oh, man. Antics, I like it, man. Oh, gosh. Yeah, David, Grandpa Barney. Oh, yeah, with the super chat. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much. Grandpa Barney says, Grandpa Barney will adopt you. My son is 36. I'm a very immature 58, but I'm fun. Love you, my boy. Go Apes. Heck yeah. Guys, if I need adopted, Grandpa Barney's got my back with that adoption. And your son is 36, dude. What's my brother's new name? What's my brother's new name? I gotta know. What's up, bro? What's up? Grandpa Barney. I got a new bro. Candle's still booming. Oh, yes, the candle is still booming. We are at 32.10, man. That was a nice little run after hours. 32.15 is what we touched there. Watch that for a second. Clay, I bought my first share of AMC today. When Moon, M. James. Soon Moon, my man. Soon Moon. Glad you bought your first share today. It's always good. No, somebody did say they bought their first share earlier. And I think they were being legit with it. So I like it. If you bought your first share today, congratulations to you. What do you attribute to this late day surge to? I don't know, man. I really don't know what the late day surge would be. There's not that much volume coming in, so I don't know who would be buying right now. Just clocked out. Love this Clay Bro community. Big Ben, it's the best ever, isn't it? Nice energy, bro. Josh, thank you very much, my man. Thank you for being in here as well. Soon Moon, gang. Soon Moon. Welcome, new ape. Lisa says welcome, but M. James is not a new ape. The other one was real. Shoot, I just checked it was AMCX, darn it. It's all right, M. James. Buy the other one. Buy AMC. You're still doing good. September 13th. Christopher is still looking for September 13th. I don't know why. Grandpa Barney, your brother is David. David. It's nice to meet you, man. Grandpa Barney, does David listen? It's nice to meet you, David. My name is Clay Bro, and I'm very happy to be your bro. Do you go by David or David Bro? I need to know. Been holding since noon today. Nice, M. James. Destroying it out there. Antics. Somebody check or text. What is the short interest? Maybe someone covering after hours. Somebody check Hortex, man. We need to know right now. A few more days until loyalty badge be number 2. Don't you have? Isn't that number 2? Luca, I think you already have number 2, man. I think you already have number 2. No, I think that's number 2. The number 1 is the round-headed one, right? Big Ben, what's my exit strategy? I don't necessarily. Wow, that's really running right now. Let's watch that for a second. I don't necessarily have like a take profit in mind or anything like that. I'm really gonna watch and see what's happening during the actual squeeze when we run up and the shares are covering. But I have no intentions of getting out. It's probably one of the reasons why I'm willing to hold AMC right now and not really worry about the price is because I have no intentions of selling anytime soon. But once we start to run up and if it comes known that shorts are covering, then I'm going to have to weigh my options and see what's happening there. But it's not like a number or anything like that where if I see it, I'm getting out or anything close to that. X, when you see a number you like, bro, absolutely, man. Absolutely. And, even if you see that number you like and there's no indication that it's going to stop, you can continue holding beyond that. But definitely, man, exit when you